Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Shrivastava and today I am discussing a very important and very interesting SQL problem. Okay. Now the problem statement is we need to identify the top performing product in every quarter of every year. Okay. So let's understand. Suppose we have a table called product sales in which we have columns like product ID, product name, sale date and sale quantity. Okay. And if you see the first three row of this table, you can see that for product ID 100, the total sale quantity was 1 on 1st of Jan 2021. For product ID 101, my total sale quantity was 2 on 1st of Feb 2021. And again for product ID 100, my total sale quantity was 3 on 1st of March 2021. So for me, product ID 100 is the top performer of the first quarter of 2021 with total sale quantity as 4. Correct? Similarly, for quarter 2 of 2021, we can see that again product ID 100 with total sale quantity as 4 is the top performer. Correct? For more clear understanding, I have kept the data of first quarter of 2022 as well, and we can see that product ID 102 with total sale quantity 4 is the top performer of first quarter of 2022. Correct? Now we want output something like this. We need product ID, product name, sale quantity, and my sale quantity will be the total sale quantity, right, of the particular product, okay, in the respective year and the quarter. And I need the quarter details as well, that the year name as well as the quarter, right? So let's quickly jump on SQL and see how we can write the SQL query. Okay. Now we have already inserted data in the product sales. Okay. So this is the data which we have discussed just now. Okay. So first thing, we will execute this problem in multiple stages. Okay. First we will pull out the quarter name and the year name. Okay. And then we will go for next step, that is performing the sum and the next step. Okay. So let's write the SQL query. Okay. Select product ID, product name, okay, sale date, sale quantity. Okay. Now I need to pull the year and the quarter. Okay. And we will use date part function here. Okay. To pull the year and quarter. You can also use another function also, like left and whatever you feel. Okay. Okay. Sale date as current year. Again I need to identify the current quarter also, right? Sale date as current quarter. Okay. From PRD sales. Okay. And let's get the result order by sale date. Okay. So let's execute and see what is the output we are getting. Okay. So we can see that we have two different columns, current year and current quarter. Okay. So when we see the first three row, so for the first three row we have the data something like the current year is 2021 and the current quarter is the is 1, right? For next three rows we can see that this data is coming in quarter 2 of 2021, right? Now we will perform the sum. Okay. So we need to identify the total sum, right, based on product ID, current year and current quarter, right? So let's write the SQL statement. Select a dot star. I will use a as a alias name. Okay, later on sale quantity, right, over partition by, I need to do the partition on product ID, right, current year and current quarter, correct, as total sale. Okay, from this we need to give a alias name, right? So let's execute this and see. So we can see that we have total sale column with data as 4 for product ID 100. For 101 we can see that we have total sale as 2, right? And again for product ID 100 we are again getting the total sale as 4. Why? Because we were having 2 entries in the source data, right? These were the 2 entries and we did the partition by on product ID, the current year and the current quarter, right? Now my next part is I need to generate the row number or rank system, right? So that we can identify the product which is having the maximum sale in that particular quarter and year, correct? So let's write the query for that as well. Select b dot star. Now I need to generate the row number. Okay, partition by, sorry, over partition by. Now I need to do the partition on current year as well as current quarter, correct? And we need to go for order by on total sale, right, in descending order, correct? So that we will get the row number as 1 for those records which is having that which is having the maximum sale, correct? As, let's make it RN, okay, row number from this table. Okay, so let's execute this and see what is the output we are getting. Perfect. So we can see that if we discuss this first 3 row of first quarter of 2021, we can see that we have row number as 1, 3 for 101 and again 2 for 100, right? Now my next step is I need to identify only those records whose row number is 1, right? Because for row number 1 we will be getting uh, the maximum sale for that particular product, correct? So for this one, if you see, we have total sale as 4 and row number is 1, right? If we see the data for any other quarter, let's say for quarter 2, so you can see that for quarter 2 as well, product ID 2 with total number of sale as 4 having the row number as 1, right? So let's write the query to generate and get the data having row number as 1. Okay, select. Now my output should look something like this. In my output I need product ID, product name, sale quantity, that is my total sale, and the quarter, and my quarter should have the year as well as the quarter name, right? So I need the product ID, product name, right? Then I need the total sale, correct? Now I need to write the case statement, right? case when my current quarter, so current quarter is 1, then I need to concat two things. First is the current year, right, and hyphen Q1, correct? This is what we need in output, the year and hyphen and the quarter one, correct? So let's write for other as well. So when my quarter is 2, I should get the output with current year and quarter 2, okay? When my current quarter is 3, I should get the output with Q3. So it should be Q4 end as current year QTR from right, let's make it C, where Rn equals to, I need all the records having Rn as 1, right? Where Rn equals to 1, correct? So let's execute and see what is the data I'm getting. Perfect. So this is what our requirement was. I need the top performer every quarter, and this is how the data is. For quarter 1 of 2021, my product ID 100 with total sale was 4, right? And this was the top performer of Q1 2021. Similarly for Q2 also, product ID 100 was the top performer, right? You can see in the data. For say for Q1 of 2022, my product ID 102 was the top performer, right? Q1 of 2022, and Q4 of 2021, product ID 104 with total sale 12 was the top performer. So let's see. Yes, for the fourth quarter of 2021, product ID 104 with total sale quantity as 12 was the top performer, right? This is what the requirement was, right? If you have any another way of solving this problem, please share your comments in the in the comment box. We will love to check this, and thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much.